This is hard work. Why are we pulling coal trucks anyway? No good to us. Nearly at the top. Oh, finally. I thought we'd never make it.
Come on, let's push them down the hill. Joyful and triumphant.
Oh no! Stop! Stop! Oh no! Brake, Harry, brake! I can't! The rail's rushed over! No! Whoa, 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 Oh, bother these icy rails. And those silly trucks.
Right on time, as always. Oh, hello, Ryan. Enjoying the weather?
Oh, hello, James. Not really. I don't actually like snow.
It's rather fantastic, isn't it? Everyone says my paintwork looks splendid against the snow.
Splendid indeed. Add a touch of white and you'd look like a candy cane. How festive.
Ha! If you'll excuse me, I have to get ready for my next train.
Hi, Ryan. What are you doing here?
Well, Harry and Bert got in an accident, so I was asked to.
Ah, Thomas, Ryan, just the engines I was looking for. Harry and Bert have had an accident, so I need you to finish delivering coal to stations along the main line. There's a storm coming tonight, so they can't go without it. Yes, sir.
A storm?
James will be waiting for you at the end of the line. All three of you will then need to collect some postcards from the mainland. They're filled with presents for Christmas, so they need to be delivered tonight. Right away, sir.
But what about the storm?
Oh, don't worry. The storm shouldn't be too bad. Just be careful, and don't forget your snowplows. Good luck! No time to lose then. Let's go, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Just Kelsthorpe and Croburn's Gate to go. Then we're at Vickerstown.
Thomas, can you slow down? I don't feel safe going this fast on icy track.
Don't be silly, Ryan. We're not going that fast. Whee!
Thomas, look out!
What? It's only a little snowdrift. Oh, Ryan? Are you coming? Ryan? Ryan? Are you still there? Ha! That's the way?
This is no time to mess around, Thomas. Ice and snow are not a joke. Look at what happened to Harry and Bert.
Huh? Ryan, are you okay?
I'm fine. I just don't like snow, that's all. Come on, let's get this job done.
Here's some presents for you, James. Well, not for you, but for you to deliver.
Easy, Stafford. Watch my paintwork. Oh, it's you two again. What are you doing here?
Well, it's not like a small engine like you would be able to deliver all these presents without us.
What? I'm not small.
On a scale of Scruff to Sam, you're somewhere in between.
Speaking of small engines, why did they send you, Thomas? Ryan would have been enough.
Small but strong, I hauled that huge Christmas tree from the mainland through the snow. Remember?
I remember that you got buried in the snow, and Donald and Douglas had to come and save you.
Buried?
Looks like this convoy is ready. Stay together and look out for one another.
Thank you, Stafford. We will. Oh, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too, Thomas.
Come on, Ryan. You can do this.
Right. Is it that serious? I'd better stop Thomas, James, and Ryan. Wait! Come back! There's been a snow warning! The storm is going to be much worse than we thought! It's not safe!
Battering batteries! Come back, Thomas! James! Oh, Ryan.
Oh, this storm is getting worse. I hope Thomas and James are okay. Ryan, too.
Oh, don't worry yourself, Henry. I'm sure they'll be fine.
Bust my buffers! I can hardly see!
Me neither. Where's Ryan?
I'm here! There's just so much snow!
Hurry up! Do you want to get left behind in the snow?
Do you hear something?
What?
Run away! Run away! Fizzling fireboxes! Oh no! Help! Help! Oh Lord!
We
Help!
have to make a break for it!
Ah! Hurry! Quickly!
Help! Help! I don't want to be buried!
Ryan, give it everything you've got! Puff away as fast as you can! Good show, Ryan. You did it.
I've escaped an avalanche or two myself, but I wasn't such a scaredy engine about it.
I want to be brave. It's just not easy for me. I'm sorry, everyone.
You're not being fair, James. As I recall, Percy had to rescue you from that landslide, and you weren't being brave. You were being foolish.
No, be off with you. My pistons pump with sheer courage alone.
I'd say steam pressure mostly.
Steam pressure? Unlike you two, I could have handled this journey under my own
If you say so.
This blizzard is not letting up, and Thomas and James still aren't back yet.
It has been a long time.
Don't worry, everyone. I'm sure they'll pull through. Besides, Henry, snow is actually water, and as Percy used to say,
Water is nothing to an engine with determination.
Keep going, everyone. If we stick together, we can make it. How are you all holding up?
There are better ways to spend an evening.
I could just do without any more surprises. Wait, where's James?
Whoa! Wait up, Ryan! Ryan, stop! Slow down! Ryan!
Oh!
Ryan! Ryan!
Oh no, we're really in trouble. We're never gonna get out of here. I wanna go home.
Ryan, don't worry. I'll pull you out, and then we'll go back and figure out what happened. Don't worry, Ryan. We'll find James. He's probably not going that fast anyway. We'll catch up.
All right, Thomas. Are you sure we can't just stay in here, Thomas? I don't think I can handle much more of this.
We have to be strong, Ryan. Otherwise the children won't get their Christmas presents on time.
Oh no!
Quickly! Back up or we'll be trapped!
No! We're trapped! What are we gonna do? We'll never get out of here!
Calm down, Ryan. We'll figure this out.
It's going to get very cold in here soon. We've had to put your fires out to keep the air clean. Otherwise, we might get sick. We need to think of something fast.
Oh dear! I think my pistons are already starting to freeze!
Can't we just charge the snow with our snowplows?
That might work if you both try.
No. I don't think I can. We should just wait for help to come.
But Ryan, we need to finish our job tonight. And I don't think anyone is coming to rescue us in this weather.
I can't. I just can't. I don't want to get buried in the snow again.
What do you mean, buried in the snow again?
Well, a long time ago, before I came to Sodor, I was working in a coal mine in the winter. I was only supposed to be there for a short time. Then, one night after the workmen had gone home, I was sleeping on a siding. Suddenly, there was a huge avalanche. I was completely buried. It took them days to find me and dig me out.
But Ryan, if we don't deliver these presents, Christmas will be ruined for so many children across the island.
No, but I'm just so scared. Even that small snowdrift earlier today made me nervous.
Well, a wise engine once said, being brave is not the same as not feeling scared. Being brave is what you do even when you do feel scared. The children are counting on us, Ryan. Can you be brave for them?
I'm still scared. But I'll do my best, Thomas.
Let's do this. We're doing it. Keep on pushing.
No, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no.
Ryan!
Oh no! We'll never make it now!
Wait a minute. Do you hear something?
It'll be us, Donald and Dougie, my lads. Rest easy. Your knights in shining armour here to save you from the unrelenting elements. Oh, aye, and snow that would be. What a muckle nuisance it all is.
Donald and Douglas, I'm glad you've come to the rescue once again, but...
Please hurry! We need to deliver these presents!
Oh, aye, of course. We're on it, laddie.
Oh, thank you so much, Donald and Douglas. When it comes to snow, you both work wonders.
Dinny fash yourself. Just put down Saving Christmas as part of our job descriptions. You two take care. We're going to look for other engines that need a rescue.
Oh, wait! Have you two seen James? Oh dear. We were so busy dealing with the snow, we didn't even think about James.
Don't worry, Ryan. I'm sure together we can find him.
Help!
James!
Oh, thank goodness!
Didn't Donald and Douglas see you? They swept the other two lines thoroughly.
Ugh! Yeah, I'd say they missed a spot. Couldn't even hear me as they went past.
When we got separated, you should have waited for us.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Let's get you out, James. Then we can keep moving. The sooner we finish delivering the presents, the better.
That's the spirit, Ryan. We're safe now, but the presents must be delivered. If we hurry, we can make up for lost time.
We make a team together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. Best of friends forever we'll be. Better together. Being really useful every day. Being good and helpful every way. Bringing happy holidays. Keeping us cheerful. We may doubt there's a thing we can do.
thank goodness. We're almost done.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
I'm looking forward
The
to...
bridge is collapsing! Oh! Go, 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 go!
Wow, this storm is full of surprises.
Hopefully that's the final one for tonight.
Oh, finally!
We did it! We made it together!
We did, didn't we?
Ryan, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just surprised. I didn't think I could be brave. You've always made it look so easy, Thomas. I never thought I could be like you. But today, I was.
Ryan, we're all proud to be friends with a hero like you.
Well done, you three. The railway staff were all talking about your minor incidents from last night. To have dealt with all those obstacles and still delivered the presents on time is a real accomplishment. You've saved Christmas for everyone on Sodor.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
As a reward, I'm giving you the day off. And tonight, you'll be the guests of honor at our Christmas party here at Knapford.
And then we struggled on with our snowplows, and then a tunnel got blocked, and Donald and Douglas rescued us. Oh, and then a bridge collapsed.
Wow. Very impressive.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's the abridged version.
We were so worried about you, but you braved the storm and saved Christmas.
We may have been worried, but we never lost faith. Well done, everyone. Now then, would anyone care for a little caroling?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Do you think if we stay up tonight, we might see Santa Claus?
Don't be silly, Percy. Santa only visits those who are asleep. Good night.
Gordon's right, so we'd best go to sleep soon.
It's Santa!
No, it's just me.
It's just Toby.
Don't worry, Percy. Santa will come.
Not if we're all awake. Good night, everyone.
Wake up, everyone! It's morning! It's morning!
Wow, look at this!
How exciting!
How spectacular!
See, Percy? I told you Santa would come.
Wait, Percy didn't get anything from Santa.
There must be a mistake.
No, there wasn't. I got exactly what I wanted.
Then what did you want, Percy?
I wanted to spend Christmas morning with all of my friends, and it happened.
Oh, Percy.
Could this blizzard get any worse? I hope I don't have to slow down. Was that a whistleboard? Might not have been a whistleboard. Better safe than sorry.
Oh, what was that? What a noise. I'll never get back to sleep now. I could try counting sheep. I know. A little game of I Spy. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S. Oh.
I'm going to collect Annie and Clarabelle for the party. I'll see you two later.
Oh, goodbye, Thomas.
Well, I don't know about you, Ryan, but I think I'll go back to Tidmouth for now.
Oh, sure, I'll come.
All right, we'll race. Go!
Oh, what? James, wait! That's not fair!
I thought engines from the Great Northern Railway were fast, Ryan.
We are! Faster than you, at least.
Ah, snow! Look out!
Looks like I'll win! Better look next time, James!
No.
We make a team together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. Best of friends forever we'll be. Better together. Being really useful every day. Being good and helpful every way. Bringing happy holidays. Keeping us cheerful. We may doubt there's a thing we can do, but this Christmas I know we'll get through. We make a team together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. We roll along together all the way. We make a team together, together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. We roll along together all the way. We make a team together, together, together.
Well, I don't know about you, Duck, but this is much nicer than the winters on Sodor.
Agreed, but I'm not sure about Christmas without snow.
Lots of places have Christmas without snow, or so I've heard. Where are we again, anyway?
Oh. Well, that's helpful.
I really needed this. I miss my branch line. But I can't say I miss Sodor Winters. Annie and Clarabelle are gonna be so jealous.
Brake, Percy! Brake! You'll be derailed!
No way! I can do it!